Hello, my people, my fans. I don't come back again with ogbonge story when be say this one no you're good for ear at all. When you go the year and the thing will just the vex you say wetin dey happen. Una know one church when they call Deeper Life now. Una know Deeper Life Church when e be say they know they wear earring, they know they plait hair. So we veer. And they weave they go back. They can't get school. They call the school for boarding school. The boarding school na secondary school. E dey Calabar. Na one Igbo woman we marry Calabar man come carry pikin go there. His son go there. As he carry his son go there, when his son they go, his son fat like anything. But after 1 month, when he go there, he come say his son be like skeleton. Now the woman can't cry come outside though. May not be saying aloud to talk. We gonna watch the video.
You did not eat this morning in school? Yes. What happened?
Because when I got the food as everything, everybody has gone to pack their bags. Everybody has gone to pack their bags.
Yes. Before now, after they remove you from the hostels, your hostel to senior hostels, and brought you back, who was beating you now?
Mr.
And who, to speak of Mr. Wu?
Afan.
And who again?
Only Mr. Afan.
Will flog you. Yeah. When you go to eat, what does he do to you?
He will start saying, where is my food? And he will not say, go and wear your container. You're wearing something that is not the food. When I come back, I will not say that food has finished.
And when food finishes, do you complain that there's no food for you to eat?
Yes.
What do they say when you complain?
They not say there's food for them to give it. They say no.
So, as we speak now, till I pick you now, you have not eaten. You have not eaten, eh? And when you talk, they will say they will wound you. You shouldn't tell your parents. Because you were weak in your class, they took you to senior classes, Abi. And what does the seniors do to you? Talk. Don't be afraid, you're at home. All the threats can't work now, you're at home.
They remove my boxers. They not say they don't put my boxers, they remove it. And I tell them to give me all the seniors to talk for me.
Whoever is joining me live this evening, here is my son. This is his first time leaving home to school. He has never left home before to school. This is his first time leaving home to school. After the COVID, 2 months ago, he went to school. He went to school a very healthy boy. Picture. I can show his picture when he went to school. He went to school as a chubby boy. I had a dream barely a month where I saw my son. He would just look at me. If I want to look at him, he will turn his face. If I want to look at him, he will turn his face. If I want to look at him, he will turn his face. In that dream, I rushed to the school. They told me that the protocol does not allow me to see. But I had a terrible dream. And it's his first time coming to Deeper Life High School, Idoro Road. I want to see him. I had a terrible dream. They refused. After much, they brought him out. He wasn't looking this worst. I asked, why is he looking like this? I noticed that the boy was living in fear because he's a boy that talks everything. He talks too much. Please, whoever is watching this video should help me share it until he gets to the right appropriate authorities. It's not easy to muzzle one out together after COVID and send a child to school only for the child to return as a skeleton. Look at all his bones. Look at all his bones. This is a chubby striker. I will show his picture when he left for school. As he came back now, I will show his picture. He has been throwing up greenish things. I have videoed him. I will send his picture. Nigerians, please come to my aid. I never knew Deeper Life was strictly for Deeper Life member. I am not a member, but I paid my dues for my child to go to their school. So that day I went, after the dream, I now discovered, and I was told that, I told them that I would like to have to talk to my son one-on-one, that I wouldn't want to leave this thing this way. I would like to talk to him one-on-one. I took my son into the car. He was afraid. I said, talk to me. He said, if he talk to me, that they will kill him. I said, in a school environment, who will kill you? Talk to me. I am your mother. Here is the boy, the first day he went to school. Here is the boy, the first day he went to Deeper Life High School. Here is the boy, the first day he entered school. Here is him, and here is him now. I want the whole world to see my son. The first day he went to Deeper Life High School. I'm not saying that school shouldn't make you lose weight, but not to this extent. Look at him right now. Here is my son. As I speak now, he's running temperature. We have poured water on him and everything. Here is he when he went to Deeper Life High School. Let me show you why I picked him up, why he was throwing up. My son has been throwing up. I just picked him up from Deeper Life High School. I never do it only for members. Look at what my son looks like. Everything fully paid. Look at what my son turned out to be. He looks like, I don't know, a skeleton. This boy is a chubby striker. He's a chubby boy. Look at what he's looking like right now. And after I had that dream, I insisted that Sunday, they were holding their program, that I must see him. They brought him out. He could not talk. I took my son into my vehicle. I begged him to tell me what's happening. Now here I pick him from school. Look at what he's vomiting. He said he has not eaten since yesterday night till the time I picked him today. That he has not eaten. I asked him why he's throwing up. He said his tummy is spending in, he has not eaten. That they say if he complains, he will be a dead man. Help me share this until he gets to the appropriate authorities. Here is the boy I picked up from Deeper Life High School this afternoon. Look at him. He has been throwing up 2 days. He has been throwing up 2 days. Now, when I got to school that day, I told the school that my son, I need to talk to him one-on-one. I took him into the car. He told me, when I took him to school to write exam, I made them to understand that my son wheezes at home. For this reason, I came with a Macintosh. They said no, that they have other children who wheeze too at home. That is not a problem. Come to where fan will blow you so that your temperature is not high. Gently, gently, gently. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Is there no light here? Come inside so that you don't fall. Eh? Come. Look at him. That's my son. Look at him. Sit down there. Sorry, there's no light inside there. Let me just finish this. Here is my son I picked from school. Now, when I came that day, I took him inside the car. I had to beg a boy who talks like parrot to tell me what he's going through in school. He now told me that because he wheezes, the principal in the person of Ndidi, changing from GSS1 to SS what? Talk, SS what?
1 and 2.
SS1 and 2 hostels. And when you got there, what were they doing to you? Talk.
They were removing my boxers.
They will remove his boxers and push their leg into his anus. In Deeper Life High School. Talk, let the whole world hear. They will remove your boxers and do what?
They will remove my boxers and now say I'm right pool. They now said no, all the seniors will not force me.
They will not force you.
Yeah.
And push they will be pushing their legs, their hands into his anus. And when you threaten to report, what did they say to you?
They said that if I report that's going to kill me.
Talk loud, let the whole world
They
hear.
said that if I report to principal, my mom, they're going to kill me.
They are going to kill you. And there's a principal in that school. A boy that came in as a chubby boy. You saw him looking like a skeleton. A principal in that school, whatever, did not talk. Until I had a dream. Where I saw my son turning and was a kind of waving me goodbye. I told my husband I had to go to the school. That this dream is not right. He said, let's pray. I said, prayers are not enough. I had to go to school and see what is happening. I got there, this boy confessed this to me. The principal gave me a word that I should leave him to write his exams. That it will not happen again. That they will return him back to GSS1 world. And they took him to the SS3 world because the teachers were not around. People who have children in boarding school don't know what the children go through. They have made them swallow whom they are. Boarding school of these days is not like boarding school of those days. That somebody should intimidate somebody and walk away with it. Today now, I went to pick my son from school. All his anus are bad. Look at the bones. Let me show pictures again of what it looks like before he went to school. He has been throwing up. He can hardly sit down. His anus are paining him. And the school is telling me that I should wait. I should not do anything. That they will come and visit me at home. Even if they come and visit me, I will still make it a live video until it gets to the appropriate authorities. It's not easy after COVID to cover way above $500,000 and pay for school fee. And the child will come out to become a victim of what I don't know. My child is afraid to open up to me. Even when I've told him that he's not going back to Deeper Life High School. My child is afraid to open up to me what has happened. He is afraid that they will kill him. This is his first day in school. Nigeria, see his first day in school. Here is he. Look at his face. Look at him. This is his first day in school. Does this person look like a victim of one sickness? This is him. Thank God I took him picture with other people. This is his first day in school, and look at what I have after 2 months. Deeper Life High School is not for those who are not Deeper Life members, so don't be deceived. Your children cannot talk. Look at what I got back after giving Kumuyi all my money. Look at what I got. I went there today. Teachers want to fight me. I have the video. I will send the video online. Teachers want to fight me. Teachers want to fight me. Teachers want to fight me. When I went there, it took me almost 1 hour before my son came out. It took me almost 1 hour before my son came out. I was like, what is happening? Every other person have picked their children. And I saw something on his body. I asked him, what is this? Lumo, take your hands up. He said it's boil. That he had boil. He had,
Papa bite.
Papa's what?
Bite.
Bite. And it turned to boil. They never called me. They never informed me. He's running serious temperature now. He has been throwing up. And they told him, what drug did they give you this morning?
They gave me blood tonic.
They gave you blood tonic because you are going home today. God punished Deeper Life High School. They gave you blood tonic because you are going home today. That's when they remember to give you blood tonic. Help me post this. Help me post this to whoever is concerned. Let them see. I'm taking him to hospital. I will keep every Nigerian updated until my son gets his sanity back. I can show you his anus. For SS3 students to be forcing his anus. Look at a child that sent to school, 11 years old. 11 years old, came back with a broken anus. Deeper Life High School, in Oro Road. Uyo. Look at him. A skeleton. I am not that hungry. I am not that hungry. And what did they say that made them not to give you afternoon food?
They said I should go back and wear cotton.
No, that you said them. They said your parents did not pay for what? Say it loud.
Midday meal.
Parents did not pay for midday meal. That's a lie. I paid in full. I paid in full. If there's one thing my husband does not joke with, is school fee. I paid in full. I paid everything in full. I owe school no dime. All the food you eat, all the drugs you take, I pay. Even your choppers and whatever. I still send money day before yesterday. They told me your chopper was finished. That you use in buying things in school. I transferred money there yesterday. Why would they be blackmailing children and be telling them that their parents have not paid up to date? That's why they won't give them food. Look at what I sent to school. How? Look at him. Then, when I came back, they took you back to JSS1. Who asked seniors to take you and go and be beating you?
Mr. Joseph.
Say it loud.
Mr. Joseph.
Mr. Joseph, tell students to take you. Seniors.
To beat me.
Beat you in their hostel and bring back. In this dispensation. Deeper Life High School in Oro Road. In this dispensation, Kumuyi. In this dispensation. In this dispensation. That is not those days. A child came to school and seniors will take him and go and bully him. A whole principal does not know what happens in our school. When I told her this boy that this boy has not eaten his money, she said, Jesus, she's shocked to hear that. Principal of a school, representing such a school, does not know what happens in school. Help me share until he gets to Kumuyi. If he cannot know me one-on-one, he has my money with him. And my money has not expired in his hand. I have right to talk to him. I am his client. Help me share this video until he gets to Kumuyi. Help me share this video. I just picked my son from school. I picked a skeleton. I took a chubby striker to school. I came back with a skeleton. Right now, I'm taking him to the hospital. He has been throwing up. Let me show Nigerians once more. He has been throwing up, coughing, stooling. He cannot pull from his anus. He cannot pull from his anus. We cannot cover this. We cannot cover this. Deeper Life High School in Idoro Road. Uyo, we cannot keep quiet. We cannot cover this. I cannot cover it. I cannot keep quiet. I cannot keep quiet. Here is the boy I sent to school just 2 months after COVID. I came back with a skeleton. Skeleton, see him. I have massaged him with hot water this afternoon. His anus. See him. Other parents and so on were crying. I did not take a skeleton to school. I took a human being to school. Look at what I got back. And they are telling him that his mother does not pay for lunch time. All the children, they don't get lunch. They have been intimidated that if you talk, when you come back, you are in soup. But God has used this to expose them. Let's go to hospital. Give me my slippers. While we go, I'll keep Nigerians updated. I'll be telling them what I've gone through. I will not keep quiet. I need help. Give me slippers. Let me take my son to school, to hospital. Let's go. Where is the last vomiting? Vomited. Vomiting all greenish thing. Vomiting everything vomitable. Vomiting everything vomitable. Help me share this video until he gets to Kumuyi. Help me share it. Even if I will get him to another school, I still need the world to know what has happened. I still need people to know so that you don't take your children to school where they will be silent forever. You will now have a child who cannot talk to you. You will be living with a child who will be afraid to tell you what he or she has been through because he or she has been silent. This one is a talkative, but he can't talk again. Even when I told him that you are not going to that school again, he's still afraid to talk more. As if they will come back to pick him. Look at my son I picked from school. Look at him throwing up. Look at him. Look at the camera. He has been molested. Look at him. Look at him throwing up. Look at the boy I picked from Deeper Life High School. I took a healthy boy to school. He came back a skeleton. He will go to his money he has not eaten. See him. That's the boy I picked from Deeper Life High School throwing up. Losing everything in him. See him losing it. Look at the camera. See him. I'll send a picture of him to the whole world when he went to school. Just in 2 months, look at him looking off a human being. My son is gone. Look at the boy I took to boarding school. Nigerians, look at the boy I took to boarding school. You see it? Somebody say you are that.
Now see what they talk about. Now what? Deeper Life. Deeper Life School, Deeper Life Church. Hey, Kumuyi, see what una dey do. So who no be Deeper Life now? No fit carry pikin go that school. Hey. No intimidating, no discriminating. They say me not dey discriminate. This one a discriminate, abi na wetin come happen to this little fine boy. When the boy dey go to school, the boy fat, dey heady. Make una see wetin dey happen. Kumuyi. So una go just carry Bible go out and go dey read. But inside una mind na full of evil. Full of evil. That's what this pastor. I dey know the kind I want to look at this pastor. And they na now take the look them. I prefer to dey inside my room. They pray. May God answer my prayer. Now to they carry Bible, they go church every day. Like my mother, and also church that one they go. So take this small boy now. Can you imagine body school for that matter? They call themselves Christian. Deeper life. We know they wear earring. They know they wear show me all the old cloth when they wear now reach ground. Draw follow me, draw follow me, waka follow me, draw follow me, waka follow me, waka follow me, waka follow me. They know they plait hair. They know they wear earring. Next thing you say they chook person for anus. They do vaga person for anus. Deeper life. Now they still know children. Now they still know say they do vaga person for anus. Can you imagine? Eh? This little boy of 10 to 11 years like this. So soon I dry the boy can't turn out to burger fish. Eh? Now wow. Deeper life. Hey, so not be because say the mother and the father not be deeper life. Na make una come carry and come dey do vaga. So na dey do vaga una self. Deeper life people. Me no know so na dey do vaga una self oh. They spoil una self. No say na so na dey do vaga una self oh. Deeper life oh. Deeper life. Pastor Kumuyi, call your people, make you talk to them. Those children now, some for them now don't lose maybe 10 years speaking, 8 years speaking, 7 years speaking, don't lose the virginity. Many of the things they happen to them for that school now, they not fit talk. When are the teachers or are the uncles there, how do they call them? Now they don't, and the principal they do and now let God now know. They go carry Bible. Deeper life, they know they wear earring. They go they wear cloth when go be say the cloth go they say waka follow me, waka follow me, waka follow me, draw follow me. Where you dey? You go they find person for that cloth when they wear, you not go see. If they want do marriage, they know they paint, they know they wear better with the gun. They go wear cloth when be say my grandmama take go farm. When they go farm that time, and they wear. Deeper life upon none are bad. Next full una mind. This is very, very bad. A whole deeper life. Christian, I say, una be real Christian. Is this how to do a real Christian? Is this? I don't want to let me speak English when I don't know. Is this how to show a good Christian? Deeper life. Now what for now? Make una repent oh. Make una not use Bible they cover face again. See what you do this little boy, this David, this Don David. See what you do this little boy. Now my mother come make him mother come cry. Come outside say, see what they happen to a pikin. Madam, thank you when you take cry. Come outside though. Make another people still learn from this mistake. Thank you. Many mother make una learn from this oh. Una learn for this one because this one don't too much. So na a whole deeper life. I beg mothers, not all say this school not good for my pikin. Put your pikin for school when you go they see her every day. See what happen to this little boy now. I beg mothers, make una not go put una children for the body school, deeper life body school. Now see what happen to this child now. I beg, put your pikin for school when they go every day, so you go to see your pikin every day by day. If something do one, you will see her. Sorry guys, no be the one when you go put them for school, you will be say once in 3 months, once in 4 months before you go see your pikin. I beg. If not be say now God can't show you for dream say your child is about to gone. You see, say God, when your heart is pure, God is always there for you. And God never really stand for this your son, which nothing, another thing that you for a year. But we thank God, say, God answer prayer. God make your son today alive today. We thank God for everything. I beg, mothers, I beg go. Make us not put our children for body school again. We not put them for Kumuyi body school.